Benefits of hosting website on cloud. Since the advent of the Internet, the technology industry has gradually shifted to cloud storage, instead of storing through physical devices. By keeping your documents, pictures, and personal data files in the cloud, you can access and share them with others wherever and whenever you need them. The article Benefits of Hosting Website on Cloud will introduce you to the method of website hosting in the cloud. What is hosting a website on the cloud? When a website is hosted in the cloud, it is not hosted from a single physical server but rather from a network of linked computers that make up the cloud. Compared to traditional hosting, cloud hosting can provide more scalability, dependability, and flexibility. You normally need to select a cloud hosting provider and sign up for a hosting plan to host a website on the cloud. You will have access to the cloud infrastructure and resources you need from the provider to store and run your website. The provider's management panel will allow you to administer your website by uploading its files. As the cloud infrastructure is built to be extremely scalable and dependable, it might be an excellent solution for websites that need to be able to manage enormous volumes of traffic or that need a high degree of uptime. Due to the cloud's almost limitless storage capacity, it might also be an excellent option for websites that need to be able to manage large amounts of data. This is the first information in benefits of hosting website on cloud. What are the benefits of using cloud website hosting? There are various factors to consider before using cloud website hosting, including scalability. The flexibility to scale up or down as needed is one of the key advantages of cloud hosting. This implies that you won't have to worry about the limitations of a physical server if your website suddenly gets a spike in traffic, because it will be simple to add extra resources to accommodate the load. Reliability. Because cloud hosting utilizes a network of servers rather than a single physical server, it is also typically more dependable than traditional hosting. This implies that your website can still be delivered from another server in the network even if one goes down. Flexibility. Compared to traditional hosting, cloud hosting might be more flexible since you can pick and choose the resources you want and only pay for what you really use. This may be a wise choice for websites with varying resource needs. Cost effectiveness. Because you only pay for the resources you use and are not concerned with the upfront expenses of setting up and maintaining physical servers, cloud hosting can occasionally be more affordable than traditional hosting. Security. To secure your website and data, cloud hosting companies frequently use robust security measures, such as backup and recovery systems, firewalls, and data encryption. Global audience. Because the cloud infrastructure is scattered across several places, cloud hosting may also make it simpler for your website to reach a global audience. This can assist to guarantee that people all around the world see your website fast and reliably. This is the next information in benefits of hosting website on cloud. Popular ways to host websites in the cloud. Several well-liked methods exist for hosting websites in the cloud. Cloud VPS, Virtual Private Server, hosting. With this kind of hosting, a virtual computer that functions like a dedicated server is run in the cloud. The virtual computer is entirely under your control, and you are free to install whatever software you require. Cloud shared hosting. With this model of hosting, websites on the same server share resources like server space and bandwidth. Although often more cheap than VPS hosting, you may not be able to install all applications and have less control over the server. Hosting in the cloud using a dedicated physical server is known as cloud dedicated hosting. It can cost more than other forms of cloud hosting, but you have total control over the server and can install whatever software you require. Platform as a service for the cloud, PaaS. This kind of hosting offers a platform for creating, operating, and overseeing cloud-based applications. It might be an excellent alternative for developers who want to concentrate on creating their applications without having to worry about infrastructure, because it is often used for web and mobile apps. This is the next information in benefits of hosting website on cloud. Cloud Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. With this form of hosting, you may create and host your own applications in the cloud using infrastructure resources like virtual computers, storage, and networking. Although typically more versatile than PaaS, setting it up and managing it involves more technical know-how.